Hello, I'm Jonathan Poon. I'm the chef owner of Taberna LX, Super Point Pizza, Favorites Thai Barbecue, and Paris. Taberna LX is our interpretation of Portuguese cooking through like a Toronto lens. Taberna is the Portuguese word for tavern, and LX is the airport code for Lisbon. We also have a lot of our restaurants in the neighborhood, so this feels like, just feels like home. I really wanted to work with Garland because I'm confident in the product. I also feel great about the level of service that they can provide. The design process was very smooth, I would say, like very enjoyable because they actually have expertise of working in the kitchen and they understand how kitchens actually work. So on one side of the island, we have the cuisine series burners. Next to that, we also have pull-out fridges. On the other side of the island, we have a grill. I really like the char broiler. It functions extremely well. It's extremely hot. 2 built-in fryers, warming cabinets, utility drawers, and tray slides. Running along the length of the island, we have the pot rack. We did a few different iterations, maybe like 5 different versions of it, and eventually decided on what we have now. It looks incredible. We have a partially open kitchen, and I think that customers are always so drawn to it. It just looks amazing. I had a great experience with Garland, and in fact, I already have some plans to do another island with them, so definitely would be using Garland again.